See, I don't have to react anything on this because see, why should we communalize things? I think we should not talk about it. Not at all. Let let our people also understand. If you say yes, you bringing in chief minister, maybe from West Bengal, or maybe from Bangladesh, or maybe from Assam. Yes, I'm also deadly against it. But as long as we are in Meghalaya, MLA of Meghalaya, I don't mind who's this chief minister. But what I wanted is to make sure that the development and the interest of the state is intact.
Personally, do you wish to be the chief minister?
No, I don't. I don't.
Means
Political party. I used to call it NPP family. We are one. The question of differences, infighting, or murmuring does not rise within the NPP party. Unlike other parties, I remember when I was in Congress, you cannot even sleep when a lot of infighting takes place.